So is it possible to make $10,000 a month and become a full-time affiliate marketer? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 3 main elements that you need to build a $10,000 per month affiliate marketing business. Let's get into it. Now guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But the main goal of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer, hating my job, not having financial or time freedom, to now a full-time affiliate marketer, and my life has completely transformed. I love life. I can literally do what I want when I want because I've built a full-time affiliate marketing business. So if you want to learn exactly how you can build a full-time affiliate marketing business, please subscribe to this channel. I'm coming out with content almost every single day. Now, most people fail when it comes to affiliate marketing, and especially from going to, maybe $100 a day to $1,000 a day to even $10,000 a month. Okay, that's a big step. That's a big difference. And in this video, I want to show you not only what you need, but I want to show you the strategy that you need to be able to hit $10,000 per month with your affiliate marketing business, because it's not like you can just go find a product and sell it and make $10,000 a month. At that level, you need a strategy that's going to be able to take you to that next level. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply finding a network of products that you can literally partner with and sell them for a commission. Now, this is the best business model in the world, in my opinion, because you don't need to own the product. You don't need to create the product, worry about customer service. You don't have to ship any products out. You literally just get people to a product that's already selling, that's already proven to sell. And it's really, really powerful because you don't have to worry about creating a product, right? I made a mistake when I first got started in my online business. Is I made these products that took me 6 months and a year to produce, and then I would put it to the marketplace and I literally didn't sell it. So guys, that's a huge mistake when you're first getting started. Now I create my own products, now I have my own courses, but I learned how to do marketing because of my affiliate marketing business. So that's why I love affiliate marketing, because you don't have to worry about creating a product that's gonna sell. You just partner with a product that's already proven. Now, where can we find these affiliate products? The number one place that people go to is a place like clickbank.com, where you can go and find any products within the gardening niche, weight loss, make money online. Literally every type of product, every type of interest that you can think of is on ClickBank. That's typically where beginners tend to start. And I teach ClickBank all the time. I teach you how to find a product on there and how you can partner with that product and basically sell it for a commission. Now, I don't think that's gonna get you to $10,000 per month, or at least for the long term. And in this video, I wanna kind of show you the strategy that you need to be able to do that. So with something like clickbank.com, you're only selling one-off products, okay? You're not getting multiple commissions. You're not getting reoccurring commissions. So that's gonna lead me to the first element. And element number 1 is finding a product that has monthly reoccurring commissions or lifetime commissions, okay? Now let me explain. Monthly reoccurring commissions is something like a software where somebody subscribes and then they pay every single month. An example is an email autoresponder, right? Someone goes and they pay, $30, $100 a month for an email autoresponder. Now, once you subscribe to that software, you're typically gonna pay every single month because you need that software for your business, right? Another one is like ClickFunnels, right? It's a funnel builder. It's showing you how to build funnels, but you need to pay every single month. So that's one way to do it, okay? Another one is lifetime customers. This is huge, guys. Something like Legendary Marketer, where you get someone in, let's just say for $7 or even for free, like let's just say a free book. Once you get someone in at the front door and they sell them higher ticket products, maybe a $500 product or a $1,000 product, or even in some cases $10,000 products, you get that lifetime commission because you originally got that person in. Now, this is really important to understand as an affiliate marketer, right? It's not easy driving traffic to a customer, right? So, let's just say you're doing ClickBank and you're just selling one-off products. You're gonna waste a lot of time, getting people to that one product, and that's it, right? With a reoccurring commission product or a lifetime value product, you gotta understand, you just get someone in once, and then the lifetime value will go up and up. For example, my program, the 3-Day Challenge or Freedom Breakthrough, you get someone in for $7, but then later on I sell them in on a higher course and a higher product, and then mentoring and then group coaching, guys. And that's the power of a lifetime customer, right? So for example, someone brought in, into my program for $7, and 3 months later, they sold them on my YouTube ads course, my Freedom Breakthrough course. And it took 3 months, but they were able to get that person in once, and now I can sell them later and later and later, okay? And it's really important to understand that concept. So my favorite programs are something like ClickFunnels, which is something I promote, that's something I use. Another one is GetResponse. That's going to be monthly reoccurring commissions. Any type of software is going to be extremely powerful, especially for businesses, because once businesses use that software, they're not going to switch most likely, okay? They're going to stay on that software for years and years and maybe lifetime, and that's really, really powerful, okay? Now, the second element is called affiliate stacking. This is really, really important, okay? This is literally how I went from like $1,000 a month to like even $10,000 a month. And for me now, even $40,000 a month, okay? And affiliate stacking, all it is let's just say I sell a product like ClickFunnels, right? I get someone in and I show them how to build a funnel, okay? Now, not only do they need a funnel software, they need a autoresponder software, they need a domain software, they need to know how to use the product, okay? So maybe I sell them a course on how to use ClickFunnels. So this is really important, guys, because you get someone in on that one product, but then you sell them multiple products that pertain to that product, okay? Let me give another example. My program, the 3-Day Challenge, right? I teach people how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, okay? They get in my program, but then they need certain softwares to be able to do that, right? So for example, I teach them that they need ClickFunnels, that they need GetResponse, that they need a website builder, and that's called affiliate stacking, okay? Because now I can promote multiple products. When I was promoting Legendary Marketer, I would do the same thing, right? They taught people how to build an online business, but then in my email sequences, I would say, hey, well, you need ClickFunnels to be able to build your business, or you need GetResponse because you need to build your email list. That's how it works, guys, because you're able to build that, okay? Another example, okay, is let's just say you're selling a YouTube course, all right? A YouTube course on how to build a YouTube channel. Well, maybe you need TubeBuddy, or maybe you need vidIQ, because you need those softwares to be able to help you grow on YouTube. Maybe you need something like Photoshop, right? You can be an affiliate of Photoshop. So that's how you got to start thinking about stuff like that, okay? Here's a more practical idea, right? Let's just say you're in the dog niche, right? And you're selling like a course on how to train dogs, right? Let's just say that's your main product, and you want to be able to affiliate stack that, right? Well, now you can do subscription dog treats or subscription dog food or something like that, right? You get them in on that first main product, but then on your email sequence, that's where you go and sell other products. And this is really, really powerful, okay? Now, one mistake I see all the time with affiliate stacking is people all the time will promote these random products. So for example, let's just say you're promoting a YouTube course, okay? They might promote a YouTube course, and then later on they'll promote a different YouTube course, right? And then you're just confusing people. You guys, stick with that one core product, okay? And then you could stack with that, okay? So again, Legendary Marketer, when I was selling this product and I've made them over $100,000 in sales, I was able to stack it on, but it made sense, right? I was showing them, what they needed to build their online business. So it's really important if you understand that concept. All right, number 3, and the last element you need to build a $10,000 a month business is understanding the churn rate, okay? This is huge, guys, because when it comes to monthly reoccurring commissions or lifetime value of a customer, churn rate is going to kill you, okay? And all that means is, let's just say someone were to buy a subscription to ClickFunnels and then they cancel 2 months later, okay? That's called a churn. That means they ended their trial. So you have to find a product or a company that's going to have really good customer service and it's really easy to use, because if not, you're going to spend all this work getting people to that product and they're just going to cancel or they're just going to refund, okay? So you got to find really high quality products that are, that have really good customer service. And that's going to be a key when promoting these products. And that's why my favorite way to do this is partner with private products such as Legendary Marketer or ClickFunnels or GetResponse or even my program, the 3-Day Challenge or Freedom Breakthrough, okay? These programs have really, really good customer service that take care of their customers, right? They deliver on the results, right? They deliver on the actual thing they're selling. Now, that's one thing I don't like about ClickBank is, the products aren't the best, okay? They might not have the best customer service. The products, may not deliver. And that's why I personally don't promote ClickBank products, okay? A lot of my channel, I do teach you how to find ClickBank products and sell it. And that's because it's the easiest way to get started for beginners, because anyone can literally create a ClickBank account. But guys, if you want to build a $10,000 a month business, the main goal is to do the three things I just showed you, right? We have to find those products that have monthly recurring commissions, a lifetime value customer, and then number two, we want to affiliate stack that products or the multiple products that we have. And then number three, guys, is understanding the churn rate or customer service, okay? The best way to do that is to basically go through it yourself, right? Send an email to customer service and see how fast they respond to you, right? Let's just see if they're able to take care of your customers. So guys, I hope this made sense, and I hope that you're able to take these three tips, these three elements, and it's gonna help you build a $10,000 per month business. Now guys, if you wanna learn exactly how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in just 6 months and quit my job in 9 months, I wanna invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, okay? Not only am I gonna show you how I built my business, but I'm also gonna allow you to partner with me as well. And that in that partnership, we do have lifetime value, okay? You get someone in for for $7, and later on, we sell them other products if they're interested in growing in their affiliate marketing business. So not only am I gonna teach you that, but you can also partner with me as well. Now, I get this question all the time. Well, let's just say I want to partner with you and I want to promote your higher ticket products. Do I have to buy the higher ticket products to promote it? And the answer is no, you don't need to do that. I'm not running an MLM or anything like that, guys. So I just want to let you know that you don't have to buy the higher ticket products if you want to partner with me. Now, if you want to get deep with affiliate marketing, then I do recommend something like Freedom Breakthrough. That's going to walk you through step by step how to build a business from scratch. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. And let me know if you like this type of content. It's a little bit different than my screen share type videos. And thank you guys so much. God bless and have a blessed day.